All right, so here's a complete video for a second generation Volt, a 2018. So if you have a broken window, you need to get the panels out. Once you get the panels out, then you need to get this weather guard out. And once you get that, then you get to your window. Then obviously there's a lot of glass you need to vacuum. And then when you get your new glass or used glass, it's not like the old school one where there's like a place for you to put a bolt through it and there's like epoxy and stuff like that. It just comes with a bare glass with some holes. So apparently on this model, if you can see down there, you can see that clip right there. It just has like a little plastic thing. And so that plastic thing is gonna fall through that hole that's empty on your brand new used glass or new glass. Same as the other clip right there. Now, if you can't see right there, so if you can't see it, you can plug in your thing and lift this up and down and you can see that clip. But basically, we bought a brand new glass. It didn't come with any like actually hardware for you to clip into the car. But apparently we went on eBay and we found a used glass and it all looks like that. So I guess newer generations, that's how they do it. But here's the nitty gritty to take this panel off. So to take this panel off, there's like, you see these clips here, there's like 9 of them. Once you remove the door handle and stuff, you pull probably from the very bottom angle here, right here, yank it out, or get this tool that goes in and spread it, or get some plastic tools, or you may have to put your foot here and hold that and then yank it out. But if you yank it here, 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 and come out, when you get to this spot, this whole thing, it just sits like this. It's just like down. Like you see my fingers are curled. So you just put your knee down here like this, put this panel on your knee and guide it and push it up and get your hands, both hands, to lift it up at the same time. Once it goes up, and then you're out of here. And then you need to take this one out. This is kind of like the first generation Volt. So this is not very special. Just pull this all the way back and then you can get this out. And it's just like a bicycle. It just goes just like that. And you pull this really hard towards you and then it'll clip into there. And then this is very obvious. You just press this button, comes out. And then just click, 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 and it comes out. And then also always make sure that all these things come back. And then to get this guy out, it's just 7 millimeters. And then once you come out to take out the weather barrier, get one friend to do a blower dryer. And while you pull out slowly, you want this tacking material closer to the weather barrier. Try not leaving it in the car, because while you're working on it, it's going to stick on your clothes or glass will get stuck on it. And then once that's done, and then when you put this window glass back in, it's probably best to have 2 people too if you haven't did it. But ultimately you need to get some electricity into the switch here, connect it like that, and bring this regulator up and down. And I'm not sure if you're going to go on this side or from the outside in, but one of those, whichever way it is, you may have to bend this slightly bit to, what I'm betting is going to angle from this side, from the inside down. And then once your new glass catches on those 2 things, then you're good. Also, to get access to the glass, to take the speaker out, you need to, this clip here, you need to get to this black clip to push it in and get us out. But you can't get your finger in here until you get the red thing, pull this one out, and then it comes out. And just another 7 millimeter for this tool, for this clip. Get this tool that you can get for like $10 with a whole box of clips on Amazon, and pry it, it'll come out. And then you're done there. All right, hope this helps you with the second generation Volt 2018. Apparently, there's not a lot of this video on YouTube. Hope this helps. Risk her out.